G'day, welcome back to Brupeg, the story of an expedition boat. We're making a couple of changes to our channel. When COVID first started, we moved to 2 episodes a week so that we could stay connected to our audience. It's a lot of work for us to maintain that, so we're making a couple of changes to the format of our videos. At the end of the week, we're going to release our usual full detailed episode of what we're doing, what it took to build and some of the challenges that we got there. And at the start of the week, we're going to be releasing a short, punchy little video that keeps you up to date with some of the stuff happening on the boat. This episode, we're going to do a recap of what it took to build a massive anchor for less than $600.